after I get the robot.
Oh.
I do, but not as a robot.
Hey, River.
He has only one testicle. Anyway, I got Marcy on line 1. Can I call you right back? I will, I promise. I'm going to tell you all about the one testicle. Alright, eat a booger back. Are you there?
Oof.
I wonder if she's going to be pissed.
Oof. Oof. You want a bone? You want a bone? You want a bone? Let's get you a bone.
You want to go to a movie?
Let's get you a bone. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Do you guys want a bone? Sit. Speak. Here you go. Take it. Creature, sit. Sit, creature. There we go. Good boy. Was that a good bone? Was that a good bone? Is that a good bone?